Today we're gonna prepare bone marrow. It's gonna be quick and easy for you to cook at home. Over here I got some frozen bone marrow. Make sure you get your butcher to cut it lengthwise. So by soaking it in salt water overnight, when you end up cooking it, it'll firm up the bone marrow and make it a little bit more solid. It'll look a little bit whiter. If you don't do this, it'll look a little bit dark. Put a little bit of oil to help with the roasting process, a little bit of salt, pepper. Time to put in the oven at 450 degrees for about 15 to 20 minutes. As the bone marrow is cooking, you could prepare your bread in the meantime. So for the last couple of minutes, we'll put some bread inside. Ooh la la, look at that. Look at all that goodness. The bread's gonna soak up all that juicy goodness. There we go. Bread's nice and crispy. Look at that goodness. A little bit of parsley for some color. So normally I would plate this for my guests, but since I'm here all by myself, I'm just gonna eat it directly from the pan. It's been resting long enough that I won't burn myself, so let me take a bite. And if you eat this with a steak, it's 10 times better. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and check out these other great videos.